Hey guys, it's Anastasia coming at you with a new tutorial. This is like a bronzy brown spotlight look featuring the new Anastasia and Amrezy collab palette. This is my second look using this palette. I do have one, I'll link it up above. It's my Valentine's Day look I did last week or whenever it did post before Valentine's Day. So I'll link it up above if you want to check it out. Really enjoying this palette so far. Really liking it. Let me know if you got this palette. What were your thoughts on it? I feel like I haven't actually used the Anastasia palette in a hot minute and I keep buying them. But I really enjoy the quality of this so far. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video if you want to see how I got this look. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see more videos from me in the near future. If you're oldie but a goodie, thanks for coming back for another video, and I'll see y'all in another one real soon. Bye y'all.
Digits on the beat. 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 Digits on the beat.